Components of financial statements. Components of financial statement. Basically, in accounting, when we are talking about financial statements or set of accounts, can be called set of accounts too. Basically, these are the components that we group as financial statements. So a financial statement must have a statement of financial position showing what stage or position the organization is at a particular time. The statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income basically shows us how profitable or whether the organization is profitable or loss at a particular time. Then we talk about statements of changes in equity, which deals with the capital and the injection or outflow of capital or debasement of or erosion of capital. Then we talk about statement of cash flows, which basically deal with the inflow, outflow, the movement of cash, liquid cash in the organization. And last but not the least component that must be part of a financial statement is notes to the financial statement, which helps the stakeholders of the financial statements to be able to interpret it. So we call it notes to the accounts. So these are items that we must have when we are talking about components of a financial statement. At this stage, it's important for us to stress it that we should not worry now, because I know a lot of us hearing me now, we have a lot of questions in our mind. So all these are broader subtopics in financial accounting, and we shall deal with them as we continue and progress in this